Yeah, so next up, we have a project with a new take on a popular game, Cards Against Humanity. This game will test your wits, humor, and mastery over the latest and greatest in the world of memes. So here is Memes Against Humanity.
Hi, everyone. My name's Anne-Marie King, and this is my teammate, Brian Carlisle. We also want to give credit to two of our teammates who couldn't make it today, Jakub Grzegorzewski and Madelyn Romzek. So our team created Memes Against Humanity, an in-browser game based upon the popular Cards Against Humanity, but with a modern twist. In Memes Against Humanity, users are tasked with creating funny captions for popular memes based upon the current topic. Players rotate as the judge, who chooses the best meme for the round. To get started, I'm going to walk you guys through the gameplay. So first, you're going to enter your name, and then on our home screen, we've rendered a chat box so that users can talk to each other and find games.
Our base functionality is multiplayer game and chat. We wanted to create a game that was lightweight and fast. To do so, we decided to use WebSockets. This allows us to exchange information only as needed and only when dictated by the player's actions.
Let's create a game. I can select topics or enter my own custom categories. Once I submit, we're going to generate a room code, which I can share with my friends Madelyn and Jakub, who I'd like to play with. Once they've both entered the room, I'll start the game. As you can see by my Judge Judy GIF, I'm the first judge. So right now I'm just waiting for users to submit memes based upon the current category. It's not a bug, it's a feature. Oh look, everyone submitted. You can't get runtime errors if your code doesn't compile. I think that one's pretty funny. Once I select the winning meme, it's rendered for everyone in the room to see, and then on the next turn, Madelyn's score will be incremented.
The management of our game information gave an interesting challenge for us. Some of our data, like our memes and our topics, needed to be stored in a database, but the rest is temporary. We also needed one source of truth because multiple players would be playing the same game. To do this in a lean fashion, we decided to use two Redux stores. One on the back end that stores all the current information about games being played, and one that has on the front end that has only the information that the user needs at the time. Between turns, we still need that one database call to get the information on the new meme, but the rest of the actions all send information to the back end to be stored in the back end store and then sent to the front end. To handle refreshes, we used express sessions. We then stored the game ID on the session, which then lets us, when the user refreshes, just grab that ID with one call to the database and then use the store thereafter.
Now it's my turn to create a meme based upon the pet peeves category and the first world problems meme. But I can't think of a good problem. Wait, that's actually perfect. I need to create a first world problems meme, but I can't think of a problem. When we were trying to decide how to display and render our meme on the page, we thought of a lot of different possibilities. We knew that this functionality needed to be implemented seamlessly because it really is the heart of our game. We decided to use Canvas, which allows for greater user interactivity, such as increasing the text size or positioning the text precisely on the image. We're also able to store the coordinates so that we can re-render the meme in its exact form at a later time. For instance, when we want to display the winning meme.
And when we store that, we also then store it on the back end so we have a place to access that later. And that's where our lean stream of meme comes in. We rotate through our past winning memes with ability to save user feedback. This provides us vital data for a future feature we're working on called the meme bot. Meme bot will be an optional player that you can play against and see how well you match up with the best of the best. I want to thank you for your time. You can check us out at memesforhumans.herokuapp.com. And I hope to see your spicy memes soon.
It's really hard to get enough of memes, and I think this app just proves that we really can't have enough. Yeah. It's just well done. I think it'll be a lot of fun to play.
Yeah, it does look like a lot of fun. I love like the Cards Against Humanity type games, so we should play with that later.